Welcome to Healthy Plus. Today we're going to talk about something that interests us all: how to lose weight in a delicious way. And, what better way to start the day than with a healthy and nutritious breakfast? Here are the 5 best breakfasts, which will help you keep your metabolism going and feel satisfied all morning long. 1. Fruit and vegetable smoothie. Blend 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1 cup of frozen fruit, such as blueberries, strawberries and mango, and 1 cup of water or skim milk. A vitamin and fiber-packed option. 2. Avocado egg toast. This breakfast is an excellent source of healthy fats, protein and fiber. Simply toast a slice of whole wheat bread, add a fried egg and a serving of avocado. Super tasty and easy to make. 4. Oatmeal with berries. This is my favorite breakfast for cold days. Cook a cup of oatmeal with skimmed milk, add a tablespoon of chia seeds and a cup of fresh or frozen berries, rich in fiber and antioxidants. 4. Greek yogurt with walnuts and honey. This breakfast is rich in protein and healthy fats. Simply mix a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt with a spoonful of honey and a handful of walnuts. Delicious and filling. 5. Tofu scramble with veggie. If you're a vegetarian or just fancy a meatless option, this breakfast is perfect for you. Sauté a cup of vegetables, such as spinach, peppers and mushrooms, with tofu and season with your favorite spices, a protein and fiber-packed option. And there you have it, my top 5 breakfasts for weight loss. Remember, the key to effective weight loss is to eat a balanced diet and exercise regularly. Whenever you feel overwhelmed or unmotivated, remember why you started and visualize how you will feel when you reach your goals. I hope this video helped you. If you liked it, leave me a like. In the description I will leave a link with special healthy eating programs and other ways to lose weight without diet or exercise.